How to use Gemini AI in Google Sheets. So, in this video, I will show you how to use it in order to converse with Sheets and also to give us some suggestions and tips. So, I have in here this Google Sheets with my products. So, you can head over to Gemini. So, this is just a new method, or this is the first method. So, if you do not have the Gemini AI Pro or Ultra, you can ask Gemini a specific part. You can indicate the specific Google Sheets file and then input right here your query about that. You can head over and submit it, and it should be able to read your actual Google Sheets and it will provide you an answer based on what you have actually asked. It will connect first to the workspace, and as you can see, it has given us this answer. Now, if you have the Google AI or Google Pro Ultra, you can find in there an actual option or a button for the Google AI, and you can converse with Gemini from that altogether. So, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.